Welcome to the CircleCare guide for affiliate. In this video, you will learn how to sign up as an affiliate. Go to the CircleCare website and navigate to the affiliate page. Once you are here, click on the sign up button and it will navigate you to an affiliate sign up form. Fill in the details like your name, phone number, email, website URL, your website traffic, the promotion type you will use to promote us, and your industry sector. Once you have filled the details, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and click the agree button, then click submit. Once you have submitted the form, you will receive an invitation email. Open the email and click on accept invitation, and it will redirect you to the affiliate portal website. Since you log in here for the first time, you need to create the password according to the criteria provided. Once you have created the password, you will be successfully logged in to the affiliates portal. Affiliate portal. You can access the affiliate portal using the link in the mail or from our affiliate page on the website. Use your Gmail and password which you have created to log into the portal. You can also log in through email OTP option. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see your home page, which contains an overview of your conversions and commissions. It also contains a message from the admin. Moving on to the links page. This is the most important page as it contains the useful links which you'll use to promote us. It has two options, predefined and custom. In predefined option, you will be able to use the already prepared links to generate your campaign URL. Select the specific link which you desire to promote, then give it a campaign name and click generate. Then it will create a specific URL for you which you can use to promote us. As this URL will contain your affiliate information, which will help us track your progress. You can check your Thrive affiliation ID specified in the URL. Coming to the custom links. You can only create these links which contains our website. For example, you can take a specific product from our website, then copy the URL and paste it in the custom URL field. Then give it a campaign name and click generate. It will create a special URL like before which you can use to promote that specific product. You can track your progress like the number of visits, sign-ups, purchase in this space. Coming to the referral page. In this page you will be able to see the stats of specific conversation type or specific dates or specific campaign. Moving forward to commissions. This page shows you the paid, pending and hold payments. Then coming to payment integration. This page shows you your unpaid commissions and you can also integrate your PayPal on this page. However, the admin is responsible for your payments, so they will contact you regarding the payments to be done through PayPal or manual process. Coming to coupons. In this page you will be able to generate as many coupon codes as you want based on the discount created by the admin. This coupon will only work in our website purchases. You can create a coupon by giving it a coupon code and a campaign name, then click generate. You can also track the number of purchases done by a specific campaign or coupon code. You can also report a problem or give us feedback using the chat option on the header. You can sign out from the affiliate portal by clicking on the profile link and hitting sign out. That's it for this video. I hope you have a healthy journey ahead. Thank you.